Hi, it's Laura Bray with another Embroidery 101 video, and we're going to do the Lazy Daisy stitch now. So just like almost all embroidery stitches, you start from the back and bring your needle up to the front. Then you take your floss and with your non-sewing hand pull it a bit to the side, and then bring your needle down, not through the same hole you just came up, but right next to the hole you just came out, and bring it down to the size of the petal. Usually you use a Lazy Daisy stitch to create petals, as I'm doing on this sampler, but you don't pull it all the way through. You keep that loop. Then bring your needle up on the top part of your petal and then pull it. But don't pull it too tight or else your petal will close, and that won't work. I'll show you what that looks like. So you've pulled it through, then bring your needle right down again next to where you came up to do your tack, but not through the same hole. Bring it down, and you have a nice little petal. Now I'll show you what happens if you pull too tight. If I pull it too tight, it goes like that and it closes up the petal, and you don't have that nice loop anymore. So that's why you want to keep it a bit looser before you tack it. It's all about being gentle and relaxed, which is the whole point of embroidery anyway. I'm going to show you one more time. Bring it up, hang on to the floss, bring your needle down right next to where you came up, bring your needle to the top of where you want your petal. Be sure to thread your needle through the loop that you've just created, gently pull, and then tack it down. And that is the Lazy Daisy stitch. Again, it's great for creating flowers, which, as you know, is one of my favorite motifs in embroidery. Enjoy. Check out some of my other videos, including my French knot, which looks fantastic in the center of a Lazy Daisy flower. And I'll be back again soon with more videos. Thank you.